Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permission to locate the other phone. Privacy matters and family sharing simplifies this. Once done, make sure you have the Apple ID and password tied to that device or that the owner has added you. Now open the Find My app on your iPhone or sign into iCloud. Calm and choose Find iPhone. This gets you into the devices list. Tap Devices and select the phone you want. The app immediately begins resolving its last known location and connection status. After selecting the device, watch the map for a live location or a last seen timestamp and approximate accuracy circle. This tells you how reliable the point is. Use play sound to make the phone ring if nearby, or tap directions to open maps and navigate there step by step. If the phone supports precision finding, follow on-screen guidance for short distances. You can also enable Mark as Lost to lock the phone and display contact info, which helps recover it safely. Once you're at the location or have contacted the owner, avoid erase unless recovery is impossible. Erasing removes Find My and prevents further tracking. If the phone is offline, enable Notify when found so you receive an alert when it reconnects. This is crucial for temporarily unreachable devices. If location isn't updating, make sure the target device has battery, network, and Find My enabled. Check iCloud sign in and that you use the correct Apple ID. Those checks fix most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.